Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide a Facebook post from one specific friend without blocking or unfriending them. This is one of the most asked Facebook privacy questions, and by the end of this video you will know exactly how to control who can and can't see your posts. So let's get started. So friends, first of all, open Facebook app on your mobile. Then tap on the three horizontal lines menu at the top right corner. Now tap on the profile name section. Now scroll down and select your specific post. After that, tap on the three-dot menu top right corner of that post. Then you can see an interface like this. Now select and tap on the Edit Privacy section. After that, you can see an interface like this. Now select Friends Expect section and tap on the circle button right side. Now you can see your friend list on here. You can select your specific friend on here. Even you can search here to get specific friends to block your post. Now I will block this person and I will tap on the small square box right side and then tap on the Done section. After that, you can see an interface like this. Finally, tap on the Save button and it's successfully done. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.